Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. You are watching Movies Classroom. So today we are starting the digital logic. So the basics of gate. So we have the basic gate. So from this we have a basic gate. So basic gate means from this gate we are um, implement all other gates. So for the basic gate we have AND gate, we have OR gate, and we are NOT gate. So from the basics of gate, which is that there are three gate: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. From these three gate, we are implement all other gates. Then we are universal gate. Universal gate. So there are two gates are present. We are implementing using the basic gate, but it is called universal gate. Later we discuss why we are called the universal gate. So the gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. So these two gates are universal gate, and three, there is two special purpose gates are also there. Special purpose gate. So special purpose gate, there is XOR gate, and XNOR gate. XNOR gate. These two gates are called the special purpose gates. Also, why you called special purpose gates in the later video we are discussing on this. So So first we are covered the basics of gate. So basics of gate we are covered that first AND gate. So AND gate. So from this AND means we can say that AND means the all the conditions are true. Something we can say. So if we say the truth table of AND gate, so we are using the two input format. So the truth table, so from A is the input and B is the input, two input A B, and we can get output A and B. So AND is represent A dot. So Y is the output, we can represent A dot B, or A and B we can say. So from the basic of truth table, so if basic of truth table, so that there is four combination true. True input means we have to 2 to the power 2 means four combination means 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So these four combinations is there. So 0 0 we can get 0, 0 1 we can also get 0, 1 0 we can also get 0, and 1 1 we can get 1. So from these things we can say that if from these tables we can say that when 0 means low we can say, and 1 means high. So from this table we can say that if both the input is if one of the input is 0, output is 0, any one input is 0, so output is 0. So when all the input is high, so we get output as high. So from these tables we can say that basic nature of AND gate, when all the input is high, then we get high as the output. Otherwise, otherwise we get low or zero. So whenever all the inputs are high, then we get high as the output. When we get zero as any of the input, then we get low means zero as a output. So this is the basic nature. So the basic logical diagram of AND gate is, so this is A one input, this is B from the two input. So this is the Y as a functional output, A and B. So also same, this is same for the three input. So if we draw the truth table of AND gate as three input variable, so we get A, B and C. These three are basic input, and Y also as A dot B dot C. This is the output. So three input variables. So from this we can get 2 to the power 3 means 8 combination 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and last combination 1 1 1. So from this we can get if any input is 0, all the input is here is 0 means output is 0. The two input is 0, output is 0. Two input is 0, output is 0. One input is 0, output is 0. Two input is 0, output is 0. One input is 0, output is 0. One input is 0, output is 0. All the input is high, output is high. So this is the logical truth table of the three variable. So thanks for watching. If you need, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Later we can discuss about OR gate and NOT gate. Also, sorry to interrupt. Also, this AND gate is also called as detector logic. So this is also called as AND gate is also called as detector logic. Detector logic. So this is the special note. You can you can memorize this. This is also a detector logic. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.